Our universal protective seat covers help protect your car or van seats from everyday wear and mess. They're easy to fit, look smart, and are a simple, affordable way to keep seats protected. They're fully waterproof to help prevent spills soaking into your seats. Designed to stop dirt and grime getting through, whether it's mud, food, or oil. And when they get dirty, they're quick and easy to wipe clean. Step 1. If your seat has an armrest, rotate it upwards to make fitting easier. Make sure the woven label is on the outside edge of the seat so the cover is the right way round. Step 2. Pull the backrest cover over the top of the seat, like putting on a t-shirt. Then pull it down evenly. Step 3. If your seat has an armrest, open the Velcro at the armrest area, pull the armrest through, then pull the cover down underneath it. Rotate the armrest back to normal, then fasten the Velcro securely around it and smooth the cover down. Step 4. Find the adjuster hole and pull the seat adjuster through. Step 5. Pull the lower part of the cover down and over the seat base, wrapping it around the front corners. Step 6. Feed the Velcro straps down through any plastic side trim so they sit underneath the seat. Tuck any excess material neatly into the gap between the seat cushion and the plastic trim. Step 7. Under the seat, pull the Velcro straps tight and fasten them together. Step 8. If you have a single passenger seat, repeat the same steps. Step 1. Start by fully opening the Velcro on the front of the backrest section. Step 2. Pull the backrest cover over the top of the seat, align it, then pull it down evenly, like a t-shirt. Step 3. Pull the seatbelt through the Velcro opening, then fasten the Velcro back, together behind the seatbelt. Smooth the cover down at the sides for a snug fit. Step 4. Pull the lower part of the cover over the seat base, keeping it even so it doesn't bunch up. Wrap the cover under the front corners of the seat base. Step 5. Pull the seatbelt buckles through the correct openings so they stay accessible.